Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to change the Google Chrome theme on your computer device. It doesn't matter if you're using Mac or Windows or whatever. For example, I'm using Chromebook, so Chrome OS, so it doesn't matter. We open the Chrome browser. Now at the very bottom right there is a pencil. We tap on that. Here you can choose the image. You will see the preview like this, or you can upload an image from your device. Here there's a lot of collections, so we open the collections and you can choose from them. When you're done, just tap on done. Here there is color and theme, so if you don't want the image, you can choose the color and the theme, or you can choose both color and theme and background image.